Hi everyone, welcome back to Easy Learning English. In today's video, you will get how to use be used to in sentences. Okay, the structure is subject plus be verb. Be verb means am, is, are, was, were, will be plus used to plus noun or gerund. Okay, be used to means someone is familiar or comfortable with something. Okay, we use be used to in present, past or future tense. Let's see present tense. Okay, let's see the sentences. I am used to cooking food. I am used to cooking. Cooking is one gerund. Cooking food. This means I am very familiar, very comfortable with cooking food. Then she is used to the hot weather. She is used to the hot weather, noun phrase. Okay, that means she is very comfortable with the hot weather. Then come to past tense. He was used to playing chess. That means he was very comfortable with playing chess. They were used to living in a village. They were very comfortable living in a village. They are very familiar living in a village. Then come to will be. Will be is used to for future tense, right? She will be used to the new job soon. That means she will be very comfortable with the new job. I hope you understand the difference. You understand how to use be used to in 3 tenses. Keep practicing more sentences. See you in the next video.